Gonna be working on a Lincoln MKX 2016. Customer has a key. She just wants to add a spare just in case keys get lost, misplaced, or if she has another driver that would like to use a vehicle. We're gonna program this one. When we get to that step, there's a learning slot right here with the shape of the key. You're gonna place the key when you're asked to, right on that slot there. And this process does take 3 to 10 minutes. When it finishes accessing the security, it tells you how many keys are learned currently. You hit OK. Then it'll ask you to place the new key, or the key you want learned, either in the armrest box, in the cup holder, or in the glove box, which are common places for the reader to be. So I showed you at the beginning of the video where that spot is. I'm gonna put that key in that spot. Then we're gonna hit OK. And you hear the locks open and close. That's a great sign. And then an even better sign is that it went from 2 keys to 3 keys and learning successful. We have placed the original key away from the vehicle. What we're gonna do now is make sure this vehicle starts with the new key. Starts up, perfect. Now the second test is to make sure it locks and unlocks. So customer is good to go with a brand new spare key.